Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Goyal and I welcome all of you to BISP Self-Learning Video Broadcast Solutions. Today I am going to work on a very interesting topic of Salesforce, object cloning. All of you know cloning means copying something. In Salesforce we have an option of cloning records, but we don't have any option for cloning objects. So in this tutorial I will be going to tell you how to clone a Salesforce object along with all the validations, relationships, layouts and record types. For cloning an object in Salesforce, I will be going to use a third-party software, that is Eclipse. I will be going to get the structure of an object in Eclipse, and from Eclipse I will create a new object on Salesforce. So let's start the implementation. So first of all, let's see our database or our Salesforce structure. So this is our Salesforce structure. Here we have position object, and I would like to make a clone for this position object. So if I'll open this, if I'll open the properties of this position object, so here we have records, and if I'll go to its property page, so in this property page we have one standard field, we have few custom fields, we have 3 validation rules, page layouts, and 2 record types are also associated with this object. So I will be going to create a copy of this object with all validations, all layouts, all record types, and with all layouts also. Okay, so let's start the implementation. So for this I will be going to take the help of Eclipse, or I will be going to use Eclipse for creating an object or for creating or cloning an object onto Salesforce. So for this I have already opened my Eclipse or launched my Eclipse. Click on File, New, click on Project. From here you need to select force.com project. Click on Next. Give a project name. So I give a project name same as my project or application name in Salesforce, Talent Management. The username, so this will be the Salesforce application or application username. So I enter my username. I need a password. Then we need a security token. So for how to reset the security token or how to get the security token for a specific application, this you can check from my previous videos. So I have already resetted my or requested for a security token. So this is my security token. I paste it over here. Click on Next. In this we have to choose the initial project contents. I select the metadata components. Click on Choose. So it will load all the metadata components from the Salesforce onto this Eclipse, and from there we can choose that which component we would like to add into our project. You will get an error message. It's a warning actually, so don't worry about it. Just click on OK. These are the components. So from here I will be going to add the component or the object to which we would like to make a clone, or I would like to clone that object. So I select position over here and OK, and click on Finish. Once the application is loaded, once the process is completed, you can see in the Project Explorer a new project has been added as the same name which we have provided, Talent Management. I'll expand it, and here I'll got a SRC folder. In SRC folder I'll get the object folder. I again expand it and I'll see the object which we have imported into this Eclipse, or that is the position_C object. This is the same object which we have got in our Salesforce. This is the position object which has been extracted over here. Now I would like to make a new object onto Salesforce first of all. So I select object, right click, new, click on others. From here I select custom object and click on next. Give a name over here. So name will be position backup. So as you enter the label over here, as you give label over here, it will automatically take the plural label and the name over here. So you can see here it's automatically accept the plural label and the names. So simply click on finish. You will get a code over here, and there is one icon over here that it indicates that it is not saved, or it's offline mode. File only saved locally, not on the server. It has not uploaded on the server. So we need to right click, select this position backup object, right click on this post.com and save to server. Click on yes, again yes, and it will deploy, or it will upload this position backup object on the server. And as you can see here, we have got some default code over here. Earlier it was not there, so this code is generated once it is uploaded on the server, or it's synchronized with the Salesforce application. So now if you'll go to click on setup, onto Salesforce, click on setup, and from here I'll go to create objects. So I will be able to see the object is added over here as a position backup. Now next step is we have to do some changes. So what changes? I need to add a field over here. So you see we have a field over here, label. So I will be going to change the label over here and set it to position name. This label will be same as the label which we have got in position object. So if I'll open this position object, I have got this label. So this label should be same. Or the best, this label will be same over here. You can see the label over here. Scroll down and sorry, here position and responsibility. This is field, this is field, this is also field. Yeah, list view position, positioning. Or the best way I'll suggest you to do is, the best thing is open this position object, double click on this, it will open this position object in the XML format. Copy this from here and just on this position backup object XML file, delete it and paste it. And in this we have to do a little change. What change we need to do is, I'll tell you that. So the change is, if you scroll up, we have the label is okay. We have the label here is position. So in place of position, we need to add the position backup. We need to give the position backup. And the plural label will be position backups. So I copy this and from here I select plural label, that is position backups. That's all. Rest things will be same. So I again save it. And again I clicked on force.com and save to server. Yes. It will again deploy back onto the server or synchronize with the server. And once the synchronization is done, we can refresh our Salesforce, and from here we can open position backup object, and from here we can check its property page. You can see over here the fields have been added over here as a custom fields and relationship. All the fields are added with the validation rules and the page layouts and the compact layout, and the record types are also there. So this is how we can clone an object onto Salesforce easily. And if you want to display this position backup as an object or as a tab over here, so simply you can click on tabs And on custom object tab, click on new. From here you can get the position backup. So select position backup, customize it, select any customization, click on next. Again click on next. This is for the current application, and click on save. So once I saved it, I will be able to get the tab over here as the object as a tab over here, and if I click on it, I will be able to get the same screen. So that's how we can make a copy of an object, or we can clone an object onto Salesforce. That's all in this video. If you have any issues or if you have any queries, you can visit our website, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interactive videos. You can reach us or connect to us on Facebook also, or on LinkedIn also. I will come up with some new videos with some new interesting topics. Till then, have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.